Well, hello there, folks. Mail call. Guess from who? It's Papa. Papa, Texas. That's right. Hey, if y'all hear music in the background, I am not giving credit. The neighbors are doing whatever they do. I can't hear what songs they are. So, YouTube, stop being a jerk. Alright. Papa, Texas. Oh yeah. It's Cajun and barbecue rub. Man, I can't wait to put this to use. Good stuff, brother. I can't wait. Oh, one of the stickers with a note on the back. And the camera is backwards, guys. Sorry about that. Awesome, brother. Thank you. Oh, there it was. Of course. Yes, sir. Nice. I have a project for this already in my mind that I'm planning on working on. So, awesome, bro. Appreciate it. Man. Quality knives and tools. Check that out. Fast action. Bam, son. Very nice. Bam, son. Very nice. And they are stainless. So, I'll be sharpening these guys up in a little bit and having fun with them. Everybody, I'm sure you know Papa. If you don't, his link is going to be in the description. Thank you very much, brother. I appreciate the thought. Like I said, I have a project for this. So that's pretty cool. I can't wait to... Man. Barbecue and Cajun at the same damn time, folks. That's going to be good. And guess what? This box right here, I'm going to even reuse that, bro. I'm going to take all the stickers off and everything, and going to use that to mail the beer off to Jason. So that'll work fine. Thank you very much, Papa, Texas. Props to you, brother. See ya.